latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Nagaland's biggest rebel group, the NSCN Isaac Muiwa, has released a new original copy of the 2015 Nagaland Peace Accord. The rebel group claimed that the copy of the framework released by them is the true copy of the Naga Peace Accord. The Isaac Muiwa faction has accused R.N. Ravi, the governor of Nagaland and the interlocutor of the centre in the peace accord, of tweaking the original framework agreement. The faction also accused the governor of manipulating the contents of the copy that was circulated among other Naga groups and the locals. While briefing the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Naga Peace Accord with reference to the framework agreement, Ravi stated that the contours of the agreement had not been spelt out in the agreement. The framework agreement was about the government's recognition of the uniqueness of the Naga history and an understanding that inclusive settlement will be within the Indian Federation with due regards to the uniqueness of the Naga history. The statement from the rebel group has come days after the group said that there is a roadblock to the final Naga Peace Accord. The group also asked for the removal of Governor R.N. Ravi as the centre's interlocutor. The Naga Peace Accord's framework agreement was signed in 2015. However, since then there has been no treaty because of disagreements with Nagaland's demands for a separate flag and constitution. Earlier in 2019, the NSCN-IM had hardened its stance on its demand for a separate flag and constitution, which had already been rejected by the centre. While the NSCN-IM is firm on its stance, other Naga groups have been ready to sign the accord without a demand for a separate flag and constitution. According to Governor R.N. Ravi, the framework agreement was about the government's recognition of the uniqueness of the Naga history. The government's recognition of the uniqueness of the Naga history and an understanding that inclusive settlement will be within the Indian Federation with due regards to the uniqueness of Naga history. The NSCN-IM has also accused former Nagaland Chief Minister S.C. Jamir of clandestinely working with Ravi to create roadblocks in the process. The rebel group's accusations were not limited to the former Chief Minister. The faction also accused R.N. Ravi of trying to tweak the political issue in Nagaland. We have seen the killings of NSCN-IM members, house raids, arrests and manhunt by the National Investigation Agency under his supervision. The ubiquitous Assam Rifles has gone hyperactive since Ravi became the governor of Nagaland. The interlocutor carries the mandate of the Prime Minister to the parties participating in the accord. The group has said that it has been talking to Ravi as an interlocutor and not as a governor. The 2015 Naga Peace Accord laid the groundwork for a settlement involving the Indian government and the Nagas over sharing the sovereign power.